Now as we know that on giving heat to any property of matter, the matter expands, right? So is the case with liquid. Liquid on giving or absorbing heat will expand. But we have a small glitch related to liquid, that is what? When we place liquid in a container and we give the heat, the container as well as the volume of liquid increases. So how would we measure the exact or real expansion of liquid? So that is why we have two different set of formulas for expansion of liquid. One is called, this is coefficient of real expansion, and we have one which is called coefficient of apparent expansion. So the formula states coefficient of real expansion is actual, or I would write it real, this is real increase in volume upon original volume into change in temperature, whereas coefficient of apparent expansion would be apparent increase in volume upon original volume times change in temperature. So the reason why this real and apparent change are coming into play is because when we place a liquid in a container and we give supply heat to the container, liquid definitely expands, and so as the size of the container. That is why if you have to find the real increase in volume of the liquid, then we can apply this formula, that coefficient of real expansion for liquid is equal to coefficient of real expansion, coefficient of apparent expansion plus coefficient of expansion of the container. This set of formula will give you the coefficient of real expansion for any fluid.